What's up guys, it's Josh Olfert here back with another video today, and I had to do it. Everybody had been saying their favorite part of the videos was having Alana here. So we're back with Alana. We're back with Alana today, and we're doing something crazy. We're gonna take $5,000 and see if Alana can day trade it. Time to think like an investor. I'm anxious. Not only have I had way too much coffee today and I feel like very jittery and like, I don't know, even besides the fact that we're putting real money on the table, I'm jittery for
it's real
reasons.
money.
Yeah, babe. So we gotta figure out, we gotta talk this through. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna do our best job at giving Alana $5,000 and seeing if she can day trade it and really just show you guys how easy it is for anybody to become a multimillionaire. What do you think day trading is? Do you have any idea what that means?
Okay, I'm gonna break it down. Day trading.
Yep.
Is in the day.
Yeah.
So it's when I'm gonna say it goes off the New York Stock Exchange.
Okay, good.
Like that, because when they ring that bell, it's the end of the day.
Yes, yeah.
So I'm thinking it has something to do with that. Well, when the markets close, and they open, they're not open 24/7, right?
Right.
Well, okay. You know in the movies where they're like yelling and like grabbing tickets?
Yeah, the pit
and,
traders, yep.
That.
So Alana, with $5,000, what do you think you can make off of that? Or what do you think you can lose?
All of it. No. Okay, how much time do I have to do this?
Well, we're gonna see how long we can keep it going. I imagine. I don't really have any thoughts, but like I think we're gonna see. Well, for sure a month, and we're gonna see.
Okay, but like long, because I know that there's like right now with my investments, I know that there's two paths. I don't know why I did that. Two paths that I can take, and it's like a long-term one, which is like higher risk, but like over time it can accumulate more, and like short-term it's riskier. So I'm not gonna make as much in the short term.
Okay.
Because I know there's no quick way to make money.
That's right. Okay, so now.
So I hope I can probably long term maybe make some money.
What you're talking about, Alana, is actually everything you said was very wise if you're talking about investing.
Oh,
right?
Shit, I'm not doing that.
Investing, when you've learned all these great things about investing, like buy when it's low, and when you have losers, just stay in the game, right?
Stay in the game.
All of that out the window. Trading and investing.
Not a thing?
Trading and investing are completely different.
Oh God.
The principles and the laws and the rules that govern them, completely different. So we have to come up with an entirely new strategy.
Okay, so this is like, I'm in kindergarten again.
Real estate investing, do you know what that is? Like if I have a rental property.
You buy a property and then you rent it out and you use the rental income to pay your mortgage.
Boom. And then if you earn more money at the end of the day, then you're profiting, you make money, that's right. So that's when you buy a rental house, right? Do you know what flipping a house is?
Buying a house at a lower value and redoing some stuff.
Yes. That
makes you sell it at a higher value than what you bought it at.
Exactly, okay, perfect. So if we think of investing, like the things you were talking about before, like the long-term, short-term, you know, be conservative, that's what it's like to be a rental property owner. Now we're flipping houses. When we're day trading, we're not thinking about the value of the company, we're flipping houses. We're trying to just get in, get out as quick as possible. Can we buy something, see it go up, and then sell it?
YouTube is the investing, TikTok's the flipping.
You could think of it that way.
Quicker, longer. Yes. I don't know.
Yeah, fair enough. All right, so before we get into this, I want to give Alana like the 20% of things she needs to know to have 80% of the effectiveness of not losing all the money. So we're gonna talk about a few things that are gonna make a huge impact, and if you can just get these few things right, we're gonna make sure, for sure, you don't lose everything, and maybe you even get a little bit of a gain on top of that, right? Okay. So do you know what a stock, like you know what a stock is?
Like a stock in a company.
Yes, exactly.
Like a little share of it.
Bang. Okay, so and you know that the prices of those change on a daily basis, right?
Yeah.
Right. So if you can buy a stock for like $100 and that same day it goes up to 110 and you sell it, then you made $10, right? Cool. What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to find companies that we think are gonna go up, and we're gonna buy them, and then they're gonna go up, and then we're gonna sell them. That's the idea.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So my shopping might come in handy.
It might come in handy,
my shopping
big time.
Expertise.
Your ability to shop and find deals is really gonna come in handy here, I think.
Okay. Gotta find some deals in the stock.
So first things first, Alana, are you a bull?
That's a bear.
Or are you a bear?
That's a gorilla.
Okay, well this is a bull. Are you a bull? Or are you a bear?
This one's cute.
What we're gonna do to keep this as simple as possible is because there's millions of ways to trade. We could do arbitrage, we could do long short, we could do leverage stuff, we could do options, you know? And you know, who's like the protagonist, the alpha male lion in Lion King? Remember that scene where he's like on the cliff?
Oh, the wise father.
Yes.
Everything you see that the sun touches is going to be yours one day.
And then that place over there where it's dark, don't go there.
Don't go there.
That's options. Options, futures, derivatives, we're not going there. That's the place we don't go, okay? We're purely looking at stocks and ETFs, okay?
Okay, why do they use the word options if, okay, just don't think about options.
Let's don't think about options. We're not going there in the first place, okay? To make this super simple, like we said, we're not gonna use options. We're gonna use something called the Peter Lynch method. Super simple. We're gonna think about...
May I?
Yes.
Who's Peter Lynch?
So Peter Lynch, thanks for asking, that's a great segue.
Yeah.
Peter Lynch is one of the greatest investors of all time. He ran a company called, he ran a fund called Magellan at Fidelity, and they were one of the most successful mutual funds ever. Peter Lynch is a famous investor. And this is what he advised.
Like as famous as Warren Buffett?
In the inner
friends?
circle of investments, they would be,
Are
he
they
would
friends?
be similar in popularity.
Are they friends?
I imagine they're friends.
Buddies.
It's possible.
Buddies
They could
in
be
the
buddies.
investor. Okay, anyways.
Anyways.
He made a method.
His method
And it worked.
His method for newer, younger investors
And it worked for him.
Oh, well, it sure worked for him.
Okay.
His method for younger, newer investors was buy shares of the companies you really love to shop at and really enjoy buying.
Because then I can rig it a little bit.
Yeah. You explain to me how you
Well,
can
because
rig it.
if I'm shopping there, I'm spending my money, does that help the company?
You can rig it a bit. So we're gonna go to the
Like if I'm not shopping there, then I don't know.
So what you're saying is that you're gonna go spend a bunch
I'm not,
of
I'm
money.
saying hypothetically, if I know people like me are shopping there,
Right.
it's good for that company.
Yes. If people like you are shopping there, it's probably really good for that company. I agree.
I have an advantage.
I want to ask you the question.
Okay.
If you had, let's say I give you $10,000 not to invest, but to go on a shopping spree, or like let's say even like when you get a paycheck, you get a bunch of money in your account.
Yeah.
What are the first companies you like to go to? What are the places you love to shop?
I'm not
that you wanna go buy from?
sponsored, so I don't want to say any. They should pay me. Costco,
Or
Sephora,
what?
Amazon. I got more. Dynamite. But
Dynamite.
apparently they went under. Google, because I Google things all the time. Aritzia. I don't shop there, but from the amount that both my roommates buy from there, I feel like they're doing well. Zara. Hasbro? Like toys? Like Leapfrog? I don't know. Because, okay, I'm not even thinking about where I shop now. I'm thinking strategy. Wait, but it's day. I just keep thinking, okay, no. But everyone's stuck at home. So some people are homeschooling their kids.
And how does that? Oh.
Hasbro makes toys. Parents need to distract their kids. Buy toys.
Oh, okay. That's a thesis. That's an investment thesis right there. Okay.
Weed.
You want to get involved in some cannabis companies?
I would like to get involved with some cannabis companies.
Canopy growth is our underrated pick. Okay.
I don't know.
That's okay.
I think
That's fine.
this is my honest opinion. I think everything else is the perfectly amount of rated. So, go get to the fun part.
This is actually as fun as it gets. I want to have 3 or 4 stocks here
Amazon.
that we can trade. Amazon? That's fun. That's a high flyer.
Can
lots
you
of
invest
momentum.
in TikTok?
No.
Wait, can I ask, or can I add one in?
Yeah.
Like, can I wait till this video? Can I ask for a suggestion from somebody?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna add it in next time?
Absolutely. If you guys have a suggestion for what you think Alana should trade, put it in the comments below and
I
we'll add
just
that
need
to the
like a
portfolio.
little, like just one little, like ounce of help from an outside source that's not you.
Awesome. So now that we have a list of stocks that we're going to be watching,
Okay.
we have to strategize about how we're going to buy them and when we're going to buy them. Because you could literally just go and say, I want to buy all these right now. And what if some of them are poised to go down or some of them are not in the best position? We want to actually look at some things to see which of these stocks might go up in the short term, right?
Right.
So it's a little bit of guesswork, but it's also, maybe there's a little bit of strategy to it. Maybe there's a little bit to think about, right?
Yeah.
First things first. This is our first rule that I want to establish or want to help you with.
I knew there'd be rules.
First rule is you have to have the money spread out, right? Why does that make sense?
That's
Like-
a fair rule.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you think that's a fair rule?
Because you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. And why is that?
Because if you drop the basket, all your eggs will break. So you may as well put eggs into different baskets?
Absolutely.
So you don't break all the eggs.
What we want to make sure we're doing is not putting all the money into one thing. Even if you really like one, there's one that you really, really want to buy.
I won't do
we
that.
have a maximum amount.
Won't do that.
So how about you set right now, in your mind, what is a maximum amount of eggs you want to put in one basket? We have $5,000. How much of it do you think you should put in one thing? So if you cut it in half, that would be $2,500. And if you cut it in half again, that'd be $1,250. So that what you're saying is a quarter.
That's a lot though still. Okay, no, less than that.
Cut it again?
Cut it again.
Down to, let's call it $750.
Yep.
Why don't we even just say this?
What?
500 bucks.
500.
What do you think about that?
Sounds good.
No more than 10% of the entire account on one trade.
Diversify.
How are we feeling about this?
Like I don't know what I'm looking at.
You have zero idea. Okay, well, I'll tell you quickly. What we're looking at here is like a chart of the price of the stock. So over the past year, this is how things have moved, right?
I find that like if you blur your eyes a little bit, it just helps.
What you want to do is you want to be buying when the pink is above the green, because that means our short-term momentum is even higher than our long-term momentum.
All right.
Okay, so if the price is above that, and let's say if the pink is above the green line, that means it's usually time to buy. If they cross over, that means it's usually time to sell. Okay?
Yep,
Makes sense. So where are we now in this one here?
Wait, today?
Yeah, right up here.
That's today.
This is actually today, yeah.
We're above.
We're above, right? So that means we actually have
buy.
a decent opportunity to buy Louis Vuitton.
Do it right now. This gives me anxiety.
I know, it's crazy.
I have no idea what any of this means. Okay. Can I just like, can't we just gamble? This is like gambling.
You want to get ready? You just want to start doing it?
I just want to go.
You just want to go?
This is hopeless.
Okay, let's get started then.
Okay, we're set up. I am going in. Okay. I'm gonna do Costco. 2 shares. We went through and we found the little like abbreviations that's all capital and shortened, so that way we don't have to do all that right now. And then I keep the market as US. Or Canadian again?
Let's
try.
I believe that's just the currency.
Okay. It's negative. Wait. Oh.
That's just the day.
Oh, the day is negative.
Yeah,
that's
that's
fine.
right.
Overall, we're good. High, low. I don't know what I'm looking at here. Okay, that's fine. So, okay. So I'm doing 2.
Bang. Hit continue.
I hit continue. It's that easy?
It's that easy. Boom, you're a trader, just like that. Ooh, there you go. Okay, so you have your confirmation there. You hit go down and hit confirm.
Estimated commission. Oh, it gives me an estimate.
Well, that's the commission on what you're gonna pay to make.
But it says
trade.
you may not have enough funds. Wait, what does that mean? Place an order.
And we go, yeah, place an order. Great.
Place an order for pickup. I'm not doing options. I'm doing stocks and ETFs.
Exactly.
What does ETF stand for?
Exchange traded fund. It's like a basket of a bunch of stocks. You don't have to
Did
buy.
you say fun or funds?
Exchange traded fund.
Okay. It says estimated commission of $9.95. That's what it said for both of them.
Well, that's what you have to pay in commission to make the trade. That's what comes out of your account to actually make the trade.
Oh wait, place an order. I'm getting better at this. I'm fast now.
Yeah, you're hammering these.
Okay, Hasbro. Wait, this top one?
Yep.
We're Canadian or US? The Canadian.
Yeah.
We're doing number of shares. We're doing lows. Low is low. And why am I doing 3 shares? Because wait, do we have to go through that?
Well, no, because we did the math to realize how much you could buy to make sure that it's not too much of your portfolio. So we did the math on how much does each share cost, remember? And then what we did was we found out the number of shares, and now we're putting those in.
Yep.
Bang on.
Because I literally had no idea. I'm like, can I take like 100? Like, can I take 70? Can I take, I don't know.
But for this.
When my mom invested in weed and she has never smoked it in her entire life. I feel like that's just, how do you invest in something if you don't support the biz? Okay, the symbol, oh wait, number of shares, okay, wait. So, number of shares, 26 shares in weed.
And it's canopy growth, right?
That-
Weed is just their stock symbol, but it's.
Oh, weed is I was like,
they're the ones-
how'd they luck out with weed as their symbol?
you
And
might
I'm
wanna
buying,
buy, yes.
and I'm buying, we're in. Oh, wait, I didn't do an estimated. Oh, that's okay.
That's fine.
I'm on a roll now. It is my response. I'm not reading any of this. Like, you know when you're supposed to, remember when you were young and those notifications will pop up and it's like terms and conditions?
Yeah.
One time I actually sat there
And read one.
and was scrolling, and I was like 10 years old and I'm scrolling trying to read it all, and I went up to my mom crying. I was like, it's so long, and she's like, you don't actually have to read it, you can just click confirm.
I have some grand theory that that's gonna ruin the world. Maybe everybody agreed.
I don't know. That's why I was like, oh, what if I'm signing my soul away? Like, can you invest in movies? Like movie companies? Like,
if they're publicly
like
traded. Netflix, absolutely, you can invest in Netflix. Yep.
HBO?
I don't believe you
Crave?
can. You might be able to invest in HBO. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's public or not.
Google. There we go. We're doing Google.
And what do we say about Google? What's the problem with Google?
It's expensive.
Right. So
I waited too long. I should have bought you when I was born.
So that means we have to take more than 10% is gonna have to be Google. You know that, right? So you know you're taking a little extra risk to own it.
I'm risking it.
But you Google things every day, so.
I Google things every day. This is fun. This feels like online shopping.
But now when you're on
Oh my gosh, I just spent
you might end up wealthy.
I just spent $1,400. This is real money?
Yeah.
Where did this come from? What if I did the wrong things the whole time? I'm gonna lose my mind.
No, because it might not have entered them yet.
No, because it said it was gonna take some time.
Oh, did it?
Check my orders. Just
here we go.
like online shopping. They
now you
haven't
can-
shipped yet.
So now you can, those are all the companies you wanted, right?
I think so.
So what,
Yep.
what does our portfolio look like?
Diversified, kind of.
Diversified.
Kind of.
Okay,
I have 1 in Google,
nice,
6 in Hasbro,
good.
26 in Weed, 3 in Lowe's, 27 in Aritzia,
Yeah.
2 in Costco.
Which of these are you most excited about? Which one do you think is really gonna blow up?
I think maybe Hasbro.
Yeah, you're happy with Hasbro? I like
well,
Hasbro.
wait, within a month? Within this month? Within the next 6 months?
That's the thing is we gotta find out when we need to sell too. We've only done half the work. Selling is even harder.
I thought I was done.
No. And you gotta monitor these. You gotta put these in your phone and put them on your watch list, and every morning when you
I have to do this every
Well, you have to track where the prices are at. You need to know if
I've been roped into something. Okay, I have to check these?
Yes.
Okay,
Well, we have our orders entered.
orders are in.
So now what we do is we do what most traders do, and we
Do I have to
just
check
put our hands up
every day?
It's a good idea. It's a good idea. See, this is the thing about day trading. It's a lot of work. And at the end of the day, we're hoping we get a return that's larger than the average.
I don't
market.
even like set my alarm every day. I am not an everyday, this is a bad idea.
Well,
I
that's
sometimes forget to eat breakfast in the mornings. Like this is gonna, okay, yep, no, every day we're gonna do this. Yep, that's all I don't know what else, I don't even know what I did.
Well, hey guys, thank you so
I
much
have no idea what I
for
did.
tuning into this video. We'll see how these go. We'll keep you guys updated, and we'll probably do a follow-up video to see if you made
Well,
any
we
money.
can't, yeah.
We have
We're
to.
gonna show you how rich I'm gonna be. I'm gonna surpass him in a millisecond because I have a good eye for things.
If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, or if you actually want to see Alana learn how to short stocks or trade options, we can get into that too. If this video hits 500 likes, I'm going to give Alana a leveraged account where she actually has to trade with borrowed money. That's where you get the real gains, when you trade
Wait.
on margin.
What?
It's risky,
That's
but
a
it's
thing?
worth it.
Oh,
Hey guys,
get this video to 500 likes. At this point, we're just blowing his money. This is fun.
thank you guys so much for watching. As you know, my self-worth is completely tied to the amount of subscribers I have, so smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.